Another problem you can have as far as hearing noise around your wheels, not just having a bad rotor, but some vehicles that have wheel bearings, the inner and outer wheel bearings, can cause this grindy noise also. So one time driving my truck, I checked my rotor out, it looks fine, brake pads are fine, and taking those wheel bearings off and see that they're worn. Once they're replaced, another smooth ride. But besides the rotor, checking those inner and outer wheel bearings. This is what I did. After taking the old bearings out, taking the new bearings in, taking some grease and packing the grease all over the in and outside of the new bearings, preparing to put them back. Make sure you keep them clean. I was working in the field and had to make sure that I kept the bearings laying on something clean. Otherwise, you're going to get debris in them, and it could destroy them all over again. So trying to keep the bearings clean, repack them. Okay, moving right along. Got my sway bar linkage back in. Got my shock absorber screws back in. So let me put my wheel back on. Let me get my, got my inner bearings, put that back in side here. My inner bearings. Gotta get me some more grease tomorrow. Right now this is all I have. Just gonna tap everything back in place here. Slide that back on. I got my outer bearing. Slide that back in there. I got my washer. Slide that back on there. Make sure I'm not forgetting nothing up here. I got my screw to go back up into my steering knuckle. Put him back over there. Tighten him up in the field. Oh, no. Forgot my dust shield. Okay, everybody back out. You see? Gotta think ahead here. Think ahead. Put my dust shield back on these little tiny screws. One more to go. Tighten those back up. Okay. Got my inner bearing already there. Need some more grease on that. Deal with that later. Oh, that's not gonna work. I don't know why it's tripping. This rascal just came out. Ah! Now I gotta wipe that off. This is my seal for my inner bearing. Got a little dirty. Gotta clean all this up later. Right now, time is moving along. Need a new seal. Get all that back together. Now, my inner bearing. That's one there. My washer. My nut. sure that turns. Look down just a little more. This goes back top of the nut. Like that. I had a little pin. I'll find me another pin. Wherever it may be. You take my toolbox for some pins. Put my pin back in here. Need a better pin than that. That'll do for now. Come out. It's going nowhere. Okay. Now, where are we? Put my grease cap back on. Put my bridge caliper on here. Screw it back up in there. Come on, baby, land it. Bridge caliper screws. Tighten them up. Socket wrench at. Wait a minute, it's too big. No wonder it's going around in circles. The wrong socket. Ah, we got the right socket. Tight. Then one tight. Take it by hand first. Okay. Put my brakes back in. Pads back in place here.